houses, please. Okay, Mark only. Okay, these is a kite. These are houses. These are cats. These are apples. Yeah, the apple is red, right? Okay, these are frogs. These are shoes. These are balloons. These are spiders. These are boats. These are flowers. Okay, now Marco, what's this? Kite. Say it. Come on, Marco. What's this?
Louder. Kite.
Okay, this one. No. This one. Come on, louder. Come on. Your
Alam
mama
na
is
kasi.
getting your video. Come on. We're on video.
What's
Come on.
that?
What's this?
Apple.
Yeah, the apple is red. Come here. Yeah, it's red. The apple is red. I know. What's this? Yeah, I mean, what
Apple.
are this?
Apple.
Apples. Okay, how about this?
Frogs.
You don't like anymore. Oh, you don't like
Why
anymore?
not?
Don't do that. Marco, don't do that, okay? So, this one. Cat. What's this? Apples. No, look at it. A spider. Okay. Good. Very good. This. Very good. Thank you, Jesus.
Smile.
Without the teacher.